Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to play Fortnite game on your iPhone or iPad. For that, right, you need to install GeForce app on your iPhone. In order to download this GeForce app, right, you need to go to this web page and you need to download it because this GeForce app is not available in App Store. So you cannot download from App Store. So you can manually just download it. Go to this website. I'll be providing this link in the descriptions. In this download section, just scroll down. Okay, if you want to install Mac, that also you can do it. Fine. I'm going to install for iPhone. We are going to use it through iOS Safari. So just launch it. Tap launch button. Then you can see this page. Just follow these instructions. So tap the share button on the toolbar. We need to tap the share button. Then select add to home screen. Then launch GeForce Now. So I'm going to tap on the share button. Here scroll down. You can see this add to home screen. So I'm going to tap this add to home screen. So by default, this will be the name. So you need to add it. Tap add. GeForce Now app is installed. You can see that here. So tap this icon. So click on agree and continue. Then you need to sign in. If you don't have your account right, just create it. So we need to log in. We need to tap this NVIDIA. Otherwise, if you want to create account, you can just simply tap on the join today. You can create a free account here. Okay. So create a free account so that you can play this Fortnite on your iPhone. Already I have created the account, so directly I'm going to log in. Once you logged with your GeForce account, just go to this free to play. This is a free to play sections. So here you need to tap this Fortnite. Directly you can play, you need not to install, but you need to have your Epic Games account which is connected with your GeForce. So I'm going to tap on this play button, connect account. First I need to connect the account. So I need Epic Games account. If you don't have, just create it, okay? Or if you have existing user, just trying to sign in. Here we need to link Epic Games account. So we need to tap connect. Enter your user ID and password with your Epic Games account to connect GeForce. Already I have signed in. If you don't have account, just simply create it. Okay, then tap allow. Your Epic Games account is connected. You may close this tab and return to the GeForce Now app. So I'm going to close this, done. Account is connected, close. Going back, games. So here, right, free to play, I'm going to tap it. Even you play Rocket League also. So I'm going to tap this Fortnite and tap on play again. Your rig is ready. So I'm going to tap this continue. So unlock this orientation. Okay. Super cool. It started. So now I'm going to flip it, reducing the sound. Okay, volume is reduced. Back to game. So now we can play the game. Matchmaking is started. Simply you need to connect your Epic Games account to your GeForce app. Even you can see the saved progress. See, I have some V-Bucks in my previous account. So that is also coming here. If GeForce app is not available in your country, just enable VPN and try it. You need to have GeForce account and Epic Games account. Even if you connected through VPN, it will work. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.